Do I need to buy a camera? Should I get a camera for YouTube? I can't start my YouTube channel because I don't have a good camera. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on a fancy camera to start your YouTube channel. Stop making excuses and get started. You can film your YouTube videos using your phone. You can film everything right on your phone. Hi, I'm Pat, and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you my YouTube setup and how I started using just my phone and what I had available and went from 0 to over 1,000 subscribers. So keep on watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video, and let's jump right into it. When I first started my YouTube channel, I just had a few resources available to me, so I went around my house and I collected up the things that I knew I needed, like a mirror. So this is just from IKEA and I already had it, and conveniently it happens to light up sometimes. And I happen to also have these Philips Hue bulbs. So I used 2 of these Philips Hue bulbs on the desk and this mirror. So I used to just film using a webcam, but that wasn't really working for me. So then I started trying to balance my phone on top of the webcam, and that's how I started recording my YouTube videos. And so as long as you didn't touch anything, it would be okay. But that was not really great either, because it tended to fall over quite a lot. So this is my old setup. I used to also have nano leaf panels behind me. So these are LED color changing panels. And so that's how I got my backgrounds to change color. Plus I have a big window here which provides lots of natural sunlight. I used this setup for quite a while, and then I started to upgrade the different parts. So for example, I upgraded the mirror. So I upgraded the mirror to an LED mirror with 4 panels that has a tilt, plugs into the computer here to light up, or takes batteries, and then it has different magnifications here, 3 and 2 times. So I upgraded that mirror, which was good for makeup tutorials. Next thing I did is I switched the background lighting. I always had to put something under this to angle it towards the background, and it wouldn't cast the light very far up, so I wanted to switch to some different lights. So I got these for Christmas one year from one of my friends, and one of the things I really like about these background lights is the remote. So if I want to just pick pink, I can hit pink and they'll go pink, and you can pick smooth, they'll go through different colors. But the remote is really handy because with the nano leaf panels, I had to open up an app on my phone and do a whole bunch of stuff. And at the time, my phone was recording the video, and it's really hard to control both of those at once. But this is remote controlled, super handy. The next thing I did is I upgraded and got a camera rig, and this is by Dream Grip. And this is a set that comes with the lights, the microphone, this as well, and then the tripod I had to buy. But this is to mount your phone in, and this really helped with positioning, and so I didn't have to balance my phone on top of my laptop anymore. Okay, so this is the camera rig set up with the phone and the LED lights and the microphone and the mirror here. So I have a trick for you. One of the things that I figured out was how to replicate my phone screen onto my computer screen so that I could use that as a monitor so I can see what I'm filming over here. So I'll see if I can show you that. Okay, so as you can see on the computer screen here, I have the monitor, and I can just click start and stop with the mouse. So I'm able to see what I'm recording on my computer screen, and that app is called Visor, V-Y-S-O-R, and I'll put a link to that down in the description. So instead of buying another monitor, I just replicated the screen of my phone where I'm recording onto my laptop screen so I can see what I'm recording, and this way I'm able to see what I'm recording without having to run around the camera and check the phone screen all the time because I'm not using the selfie camera. The next thing that I wanted to do was upgrade the lighting a little bit because I had quite a bit of shadows in the background, and I wanted to fix that. So the LEDs on the camera rig that I showed you earlier, they are adjustable, so I can turn the brightness down, and that does help a little bit, but they do still cast shadows. So I wanted to get some shadow box lighting. So I'll show you what I picked out next. Alright, so I added the shadow boxes. I turned down the brightness on the LEDs on the rig. I've got the mirror here, so I can see myself filming on my laptop monitor over here, and I have the lights and background lights. As I did more and more YouTube videos, I gradually upgraded the different things for my YouTube channel. So I got rid of this mirror, and I got rid of these Philips Hue bulbs, and I got a phone stand that had LED lights built into it. And I found those caused a lot of shadows, so I added shadow box lights. Now all of this took me about 1.5 years to accumulate the different things that I now use. However, when I just started, I was only using my phone and my laptop, and that's how I started my videos. So you really don't need to have a professional setup when you get started. You just need to hit record and get started. Because if you've got a phone, they have great cameras on them, and if you've got a window, that provides a lot of natural daylight. So just hit record and start making content. So I've really upgraded my video content with different lights and various different adjustments to my YouTube setup. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to upgrade to a digital camera. So on my next video, you'll notice hopefully a major improvement with the audio and video quality because I've upgraded my camera finally. So if you're looking to start a YouTube channel in 2021, go ahead and get started. You can just use what you have available to you and upgrade slowly if it's something that you find you're going to continue doing. I really am a very creative person, so I have a lot of fun making YouTube videos, but don't think you need to go out and buy some expensive camera to start. Just use your phone to get started. One of the most important things about having a YouTube channel is make sure you're having fun doing it. If it's not fun, don't do it. Those were the gradual improvements that I made to my YouTube setup so that I could improve the quality as I kept making videos. So that was my YouTube setup all complete. So leave me a comment down below, and if you like this video, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you're going to start a YouTube channel about. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video, and you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. The links are down below. I'll also include links to all of the different equipment in the description box down below. So make sure you check out the description if you're interested in seeing any of the equipment that I'm using, and I'll see you for another video next time. Bye! You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on a fancy camera to start your YouTube channel. You can film everything right on your phone.